Hello Internet Machine, my name is Brian and this is my channel. Today we're going to see if I'm able to change a light switch. This is actually harder than I thought it would be. Okay, the first thing we do, we turn the power off. Yeah! So I have a voltage tester. Sometimes they call it a probe. This is probably my most valued piece of equipment. After you turn the breaker off, you can turn this thing on. Okay, ooh, turns green. Now it'll turn red when it goes near a live wire. Meaning the power's on, it'll turn red. I purchased this one. The technical term is wrong switch. The right one. And what do you know? It says LED and HAL for halogen. I just need to stress that I am not an electrician. I am not certified or really experienced in anything. I'm just a guy. Each light switch comes with directions. They're worth a read. So, let's get started. This is good footage. I'm getting some good background conversation.
Are you seriously recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You got something to say? I don't want somebody to see what I'm doing because I'm not a licensed electrician, and if somebody tries to do it, then they die.
I mean, you could put, don't do this.
Doesn't work. Hey, so if you like what you've seen and you want to be my friend, hit like, subscribe, new content every Monday, and I hope to see you there. So thanks again.